Here are the top 5 tips from the super rich in saving money. Are you wondering how rich save money? Click like and subscribe and watch until the end of this video. Number 1. Save most of your income. Most of the rich, when they started, they can save up to 70% of their income at a young age. How is this possible? They have multiple streams of income, that 1 to 3 of these different income streams are paying off their expenses. Being disciplined and consistent are the traits you need when you are starting this journey. Pro tip. It will help save more if you set up some automatic money transfer in your bank to your untouched savings account. Nice tip, right? Number 2. Pay using cash. Paying for things using cash is one of the best money-saving tips. Spending cash is harder than spending using a credit card or spending digital money. Making it harder to pay means it's harder to spend. Therefore, paying in cash is always a better idea, so you have more time to think if this is good buy or not. Number 3. Eliminate your bad debt. We all know bad debt are the debts that takes money out of our pocket due to interest. Good debt, on the other hand, puts money back to your pocket. Now, to get rich, you have to ensure interest is working for you and not against you. Pay off your debt and ensure that you don't have any unnecessary credit card expenses or loans. You heard it right? Number 4. The rich don't waste anything. One quirky habit of rich people is their frugality. Rich people manage money by using things to their full potential. Which is why you should not waste anything. Ensure you buy only what you need and never throw things away without getting good returns on your investment or purchase. If those things does not serve its purpose anymore, you want to get rid of it. You can sell them out with second-hand price or give them as donations. So you at least get back some money or help people instead. This applies to time as well. Rich people do not waste time on things or tasks that can be outsourced to free themselves up for planning the next money-building income streams or network-building relationship. They know that time is the most precious commodity, that even you are willing to pay 1 million, you won't get back even 1 second of time. The rich know saving time is equal to saving money. This is one thing poor people do not consider. Number 5. Don't be ashamed of bargaining. Rich people didn't get rich by spending their money mindlessly. One habit rich people have is that they aren't ashamed of bargaining where it matters. Whether you are buying a house, a car, or simply picking furniture from a store, always bargain. You will often be able to knock off 10% to 15% from the price of the product by simply asking. That's an easy and smart savings. You saved before you purchased. Good, right?
TMC viewers, did you learn amazing facts today? Don't forget to comment down below what you want to hear from us next time. Click like, subscribe and hit share so you won't miss any video. Thank you for watching Trendmaster channel. Stay awesome.